I have not fried sage leaves before. Give it a try this fall because it is such a delicious crunchy topping to pastas and soups. I have some oil here at about 350 degrees, and I'm just going to take a few sage leaves and just put them right in that oil. See, they kind of start to puff up. They might change color a little bit. This is all happening in under a minute. And then right when they're done, just take them out, put them on this plate. When you fry anything, as soon as it comes out, sprinkle a little salt and then just let them drain, let them cool, and they're such a delicious topping. I want to show you how crispy this fried sage leaf is. This is a nice salty one. Really, really nice and crispy. It took, what, 30 seconds. I'm going to put it on some pasta. You can put it on anything. And it's just like a nice little earthy, crispy, salty addition to your dishes. Really good.